कैसा आवाज़ आता. So this is the third tunnel we are crossing.
Hello guys, right now the time is around 8:58, almost 9, and जो मैं इतने दिनों से प्लानिंग कर रहा था वो आज फाइनली फुलफिल होने जा रहा है. तो I'll quickly have my breakfast and I'll see you guys on my bike. So welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine.
तो हमारी सफारी शुरू हो गई है गाइस, एंड आज का व्लॉग थोड़ा खतरनाक होने वाला है, इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है, बिकॉज टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी द ब्यूटीफुल एंड द हाईएस्ट वाटरफॉल ऑफ गोवा, एंड द नेम ऑफ द वाटरफॉल इज Dudhsagar. Yes, you heard it right. So I'm not going by a bike, not train, but I'm going by walking. Yes, but from here I'm going with my bike, then I will park my bike in Kole, and from Kole I will be going on the railway track by walking. So let's see how it goes. I know it's gonna be a hectic day, but this is what I like to do. Just now I reached in Samande, and on this road you have to be very careful because all the mining trucks come from this side, so ride safe guys.
Yeah.
Just now I reached Calling guys. On the right side there is a station over there, and if you're coming by train then train will stop over there, and there is a parking over here, and if you're going for a picnic in Kole then you have to go from this side. So these are the government vehicles to drop you near Dudhsagar falls. So they charge per person 640 rupees, 500 for vehicle, 40 rupees for jacket, and the entry is 100 rupees. So if you are going there you can take the vehicle from here, but we are going by walking, so I'm looking for a parking over here. Okay, so guys, it took us around 1 hour to reach from my location. So we parked our bikes over there, and now we are going by walking. So from here it takes 2 to 2.5 hours. So chalte hain, let's go. You guys enjoy the vlog. हमारी सवारी चल पड़ी है गाइस. Right now the time is 10 o'clock in the morning. Let's see what time we will reach near Dudhsagar. So the vehicles are going from this side, as you can see, but We are going on a track. A big thanks to the guy who made this footpath. And if I can see, the vehicles are going from that side. Without this footpath, the trek would have become so difficult. It's very difficult to walk on the track. Right now the time is 11:35. So now we are entering the tunnel. Oh my god, it's so scary, man.
You tried your best to keep me on your mind, but I know all the things you meant when you said that we're fine. I knew you'd run to me like someday. Said your demons needed Sunday. I won't be leaving you open, that I'm yours. I guess I knew it was for nothing.
भाई हम लोग अभी 3 घंटा हो गए चल गया इधर से, और कितना टाइम लगेगा? और एक 2 किलोमीटर बोल रहा है। तो वकर बोल रहा है कि और 2 किलोमीटर बाकी है। Guys, I am totally exhausted. If you guys are coming from this side, then carry extra water bottle because पानी के बिना ट्रैक नहीं होगा. And see, this is the third कैसा आवाज आता? So this is the third tunnel we are crossing.
Spending all that time.
कितना बहुत लूँगा?
I'm alright. Don't miss you much these nights. Don't worry.
Just look at the flow.
I don't know where you go. Don't need to know more. Let this go. Let me get this off my conscience. Missing places.
This is the fourth tunnel, guys. वही कितना पात लेगा हमें? I think this is the big tunnel and the last one. Hopefully. Finally we made it, guys.
Guess I knew it was for nothing. Spending all that time just running, but I'm alright. Don't miss you much these nights. Don't worry.
So this side is the waterfall, and if you go on the other side, then you guys will see the people who are having bath. These are the people who went by the vehicles, government vehicles.
And I don't know where you go, don't need to know more than let this go. Let me get this off my conscience. There's in places I feel lost, and that was you, but I'm ready to lose that too. Knew you'd run to me like someday. Said your thing was made of Sunday. I'm walking, leaving you hoping that I'm yours. Knew you'd run to me like someday. Said your thing was made of Sunday. I'm walking, leaving you hoping that I'm yours.
Chalo guys, it's time to say goodbye to this beautiful Dudhsagar. And look at this, अभी अभी इधर अटकेत हुआ है और सब गिर गया इधर. That's it for today guys. I hope you guys like this beautiful vlog, and if you did, then please do hit like, comment and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye, take care, मोगा सों. और चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस में जो शूटिंग हुआ था वो इधर ही हुआ था, उस घर में. बाय बाय. तो गाइस, मैं व्लॉगिंग का चैनल छोड़ रहा हूँ, अभी इन लोगों के साथ काम करेगा. चलो बाय बाय.